Hello everyone, now let us start our next exercise, that is exercise 5.2 of class 8 NCERT. So in question number 1, a pie chart is given like this, where semi-classical is of 20%, for light music is of 60%, 40%, and folk music is of 30%. And classical is of 10%. Okay, so we need to give the following answers from this pie chart. So the first question is, if 20 people liked classical music, then what is the total number of people surveyed? So they are saying that classical music is liked by 20 people. That means if total is X, then 10% of X will be 20. So we can find the value of total number of people surveyed like this. So 200 people liked, 200 people were surveyed. So the next part, they are asking about which of the music is liked by the most of the people. So obviously that is 40%, because 40% is highest. That means light music is liked by most of the people. Okay. And in the next part, they are asking if 100 total CDs are made, then what is the share of each of the types? Okay. So total of 1000 CDs are given, and we need to check for each of the terms. Like for classical, we have 10% of the total, of course. So 10% of 1000 CDs. Okay, that is by calculation we will get 100 CDs. Okay, and similarly semi-classical is 20%. 20% of 1000, that will be equal to 200 CDs. Okay, now for light music, it is 40% of 1000, which is 400 CDs, and the last folk music is 30% of 1000, that is 300 CDs. Understood? So this is how we will find the percentage. This is purely a question of percentages only, which you have been learning from class 6, I guess. Now let us move on to question number 2, which is in which this chart is given and we need to draw the pie chart according to this. So for that we will be making a table here with these headings. Okay, so up to this it is given in the question. We need to find the total here, and now we will go for the fraction part, in which we will have to divide the frequency by total. Okay, like this. And now these fractions will be always multiplied with the total angle. So total angle of a circle is always 360, so we'll multiply with 360. So these are equal because the total is equal to 360. Okay, otherwise it is not mandatory that all will be equal. Now we will draw the pie chart like this. We will have to draw a circle of any radius, and then first of all we will draw the angles, any one angle. Like I'm taking the 90 degree here. Okay, so this will be for the part of summer, and then take any line and take any one line here and draw the 120 degree angle. Okay, so the other one will automatically be 150 degree. Therefore this is the required pie chart. Okay, now for the first part, most vote is obviously for winters, and second part is in the table, and the third part is right here. The pie chart is given. So this is the answer for question number 2, and the similar way you have to do the question number 3. Okay, I hope I am very clear here. I don't have to repeat this for question number 3. Just remember that this I have taken to be the total one, and these are always 360. For any question, these are always 360 because it is the total angle of a circle, that is 360, of course. Okay, now moving on to question number 4, in which pie chart is already given. We just have to answer the following question, like in which subject did the student score for 105 marks. So we will have to do the opposite thing what we have done in question number 2 and 3. Total marks is given in question number 4, that is 540. That means it will be equivalent to 360 degrees, that is the total central angle of a circle, right? So we need to find what is the central angle for 105 marks. Okay, now as I have done in question number 2 and question number 3 is similar, so we will have to divide these two and then multiply it with total angle. So that is 70 degree. Okay, which is for which subject? It's for Hindi as per the given pie chart. Okay, now we need to check how many marks did the student have got in mathematics and Hindi, and then we will have to subtract both. First for mathematics, so we will again apply the same formula here, that is central angle is equal to marks obtained divided by total marks into 360 degree. Okay, but here we need to find the marks obtained. Okay, so for that, like this, you'll put the value and get the answer. So 135 marks we have got in mathematics. Similarly, we'll do the same for Hindi also. Although we have found that Hindi is 70 degree, that means 105 is for Hindi. Just to recheck, so it is 105 only. Understood? Now for the third part, we need to check which one is greater. So obviously 35 is greater by how much? That is by 30. So like this you have to write. Okay, so for the third part, we actually need to find, they're asking about which of the combination given in the question, like social science or and maths or science and Hindi, which combination have got more marks. Okay, so by just looking at the central angles, we can calculate that there is 90 plus 65, which means a total of 155 angle, and science plus Hindi, that is 150 degree angle. So clearly social science plus maths combination is greater. Just to check this, I will show you how we could do that. So these are the required answer. You can find all the marks like this, and obviously by adding up according to the combinations given in the question, we can easily find that social science plus maths combination is greater. Okay, understood? So this is the ending of this video. Stay tuned for more.